Welcome to this short video on Zoom to Assembly View, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D. In our previous releases of our tools, we've had a Zoom to Profile, a Zoom to Section View, and Zoom to Alignment. And now we've added Zoom to an Assembly. And to demonstrate this, I'm going to zoom into an alignment. And you can see in here I have some sample lines. And I'm going to select one sample line. I want to see what assembly is being used at this location right here. When I select the sample line, up on the ribbon, it now shows me Zoom to Section View, Zoom to Assembly, and Zoom to Profile View. I'm going to go ahead and zoom to Section View. And this automatically takes me to the section view of the one sample line that I was selected on. Now from here, I can see the section view. I now want to go to the assembly. So I can come up here and go Zoom to Assembly, and it will take me right to that assembly that's being used at that sample line. I could have, if I escape here, let's zoom back out to the alignment, I could grab a sample line here, and I could go straight to the assembly that's used at that sample line. This concludes this short video on Zoom to Assembly, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for Civil 3D.